I'm doing these, what I've done as well, because this isn't going to supply enough leverage for it. I've blocked that in and blocked that in, so it's I'm not going to cut there, so it gives it more support. Something like that is fine, but and something like that is fine. But with this, if I was to cut that out, it would be very sustainable to be damaged. Let's drill some holes. All I've done here so far, just so you can catch up, is I printed this picture off the internet. Anyone can do that. You just click on a picture and print it off on your printer. And then what I've done is, because I did do one Saturday, but it wasn't dry enough, and it started to turn into like paper mache as I was doing it. So what I've done is left it to dry. And now I'm going to be cutting it out on the scroll saw. But first of all, and this is quite a simple design, look, there's only going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 internal cuts, and I'll be cutting it round there. So it's a nice heart shape. And you know, hearts always are appreciated. Right, so what I'm going to do first is drill these holes. Hopefully you can see that. If you can't, it's not very exciting, it's just drilling holes. And these are nice big holes that I'm able to do on this. Sometimes it's more intricate. Right, let's do the inside one first. Quite thick, this one is. We'll see how we go with this, because after all said and done, it's pine, so it's not going to be the it won't be the hardest wood in the world, but we can try. I'll just get started, and then I will add my noise cancelling to it and see how we get on from there. Excuse the noise a moment. That's one done, so there's only 9 to go really, which seems a lot, but it's not. Believe me, it's not. Especially when you've done those spoons with, I've never actually counted how many is in there. Have a quick count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 28 there.
How many more are there?
And that's the purple heartwood as well, so that is quite hard as well. It's not the easiest wood in the world to cut. And that just pops out like that. That's the first one done. Let's swap over to my noise cancelling, get this wire out of the way. It's only so that you don't get annoyed by the noise of this scroll saw, and I can still talk to you. Presume that's okay with you. Right then, let's carry on with this and try and get it done. I'm going to carve them out, which I believe is okay to do. I carve them out and then I will stick them onto my birdhouses that I make. And I believe that's okay because I've carved them. Anybody agree or disagree with that? Is it okay to glue them onto your work if you've made them? What does everyone think? Right, let's see if we can get this bit out now. There you go. Get the next bit out now. Right, so what we need to do now is I'm going to have to tidy that up, and that's what I meant with the supports there. If you put the supports there, leave those little bits there, supports the centre of that, and it works out fine. I'm just going to finish this off quickly with a bandsaw, and then we'll get to carving it. Right, there's the part. Now quickly I'm just going to put a glove on and we'll carve that quickly. Let's I'll use that one because that's quite straight. We'll just put some stop cut in there. One there, one there, and that's the easiest way to support something if you want to carve it. See, you've got that there, and you can put it like that, and you only need two. So that's a easy way to support some carving if you want to just do some carving and then have something to push against. Well, there you go. Thank you very much for joining me today. Hope you can have an attempt at this heart. I hope I've explained it clearly enough for you to try. I have plenty of other videos that you can go and watch. I've even made a couple of playlists for you to watch. And whatever you do, remember, I always say this, whatever you do, do it well.